Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is a quickie for Brenda. She asked how to emboss. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you using the Distress embossing ink. However, any embossing ink would work. There are at-home things that you can use to get this, but right now this is all I'm going to show you guys because that's what Jay asked for. I'm going to use Distress powder. And this is, which obviously is Tim Holtz. And then this is called Stamp Stuff Embossing Powder, Red Dragon Opaque. And I don't know who makes it. I guess, oh, Stampendous. There you go. All right. Now, I also have pens that emboss. So you can write and all that kind of stuff. If you want to see that, just let me know. This is all this is. It's like a sticky, sticky kind of pad. And I'm going to put down this face first, and I'm just going to go over it like this, like that. Very simple. And I'm going to push it down. Sometimes these are hard to make contact. I don't know if you could see that. And sometimes you have extra, so if you want to, do it on another piece, by all means. And for this one, I'm going to use this. And I am just going to, should have ripped the page out. We will make it work. Okay, that's beautiful. I don't know if you can see how beautiful it is. Let me, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Kind of like matches my nails, doesn't it? That's a thought. Okay. And then I'm gonna, I like to just kind of fold this. That's why it's easier if you kind of rip it out into a little funnel and hope to God I'm in it to win it. You know what I'm saying? If I can just get the majority in there, I'll be a happy camper. And you can see that's what that brings. And then every time I get on video, my dogs decide this is the day that they're gonna bark. Now this is pretty big, so that's why I like to kind of go like this. It's easier. If it was smaller, it wouldn't matter as much. You know what I'm saying? Here we go, here we go. I'm starting to get very sick, which I love. When I go see my nephew sometimes, I don't know if it's like I caught it from him or going to the store, who knows. But I'm not feeling well today, and my husband is sick now too, so I don't know. All right. And I'm just pushing it down. Obviously, if I was on camera, you'd be able to see that. And let me see if you can see where you can kind of see where that butterfly is. See that little shininess? We're going to use the Distressed powder. And I'm going in. Oh, I could play with embossing all day. So let me know if you guys want to see some cool. I love embossing. Oh, Kelly, leave it open. I love embossing I get so excited in my mixed media. So let me know because I love doing it. Okay. Doing it and doing it and doing it. Okay. Uh-oh, Cool J. Gonna do the same thing. Now look, I mixed it. What are you gonna do? It doesn't matter to me. I didn't even think about that, mixing it, but I did. But look, hey, I make mistakes, so you don't have to. I'm so excited singing now. Cool J, I don't know what the heck happened. Okay, so you can see this, and then what I like to do is take a fluffy kind of brush. That's not fluffy. This is a fluffy. And you just kind of give it a quick sweep. But don't take it off where you just put it. Just a little bit around, because if you don't want it all extra, you know what I'm saying? Like if it went around, because it will do its thing. And then I'm going to take my heat gun. And here I go. And you need a heat gun for this. I'll try to do it this way so you can see it. And it melts it. And you'll know it's done when it changes it. And you can see this is where, I kind of wipe some of it off. What are you going to do? I love using clear UTEE, the ultra thick embossing powder. And then this, I love, I'm just going to do this like this, and you'll see it melt. That's so pretty. Look at that. And you'll see, like, you know, if you miss a little part, because it's going to, you know, look a little lighter. Okay. And then I kind of blow this off because I wonder why me and my dog walk around glittery or whatever, but there you go. So, okay. Look how pretty. So now it's embossed. Same with that. I'm going to show you. You see what this did? I either didn't have it embossed enough or that's because of the distress. So let's try it one more time. Look, stuff happens. What are you going to do? I think I'm going to use the face though over it. Let's layer. I like that face. I'm going to use the distress powder again. We're going to see. I know it's supposed to be distressed, so you're not going to get that kind of look so solid, but I got to get a little better than this. So we'll just go right over it. You know what I'm saying? So if this happens to you, we'll see if it's the distress. I mean, this is the distressed embossing powder, and that came out really nice. So let's see what this bad boy does again. Okay. Now, I keep putting the thing on like as if it's again, we're just gonna do it like this, do it like that, with wiffle ball bat. So okay. And I'm gonna tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. There we go. And you see how good that covered? I will show you before I do it. Okay, so let's get to getting. All right. Let's see if I can get this in the camera. It could be that that's old, because that is a very old powder. Which is really stuck. I don't know why it would go bad, but maybe it's just me and the way I do it. Excuse me, I'm going to have sniffles and coughs. I like the copper in there a little bit though, but that really should be it. So I'll let that dry for a minute before I get my little grubby paws in it. More blue. Do your thing. Okay. All right. Let's give it a little test. All right, that's better. Yeah, that's better. A little comes off, but that's all right. Yeah. I think it was, you know, and you can see it. You can still see the butterfly in the back, but it isn't as good as this. And that was probably my fault. User error. Me. But that's what comes out. Look how cool. And like I said, you know, if you mess up, you just go over it and do something else. Who cares? Or put more on it and go. Like I said, there's a little bit on the bottom, but I'm kind of digging that. I really dig that one. That would make an awesome, look at that, ATC card, right? Do a great background. That would look good. Oh, let's try it. I get too excited. Let's try it again. I'm gonna just put a little bit on here. I don't know, a little bit and me don't go together. Okay. I mean, we got this that we made in our other video. And I'm gonna just lay it down and give it some pushing. Give it a little. Could use some cushion for my pushing, but I didn't grab it. And I peeled that nail polish off that thumb the other day. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's do this color. Blue, if it worked a little better, I probably would have liked it. But here we go. Here we go. Okay, look how pretty it's. Look at that sparkles. Okay, so I'm going to kind of bend it and get it in there. Get in my belly. Give it taps. Look, like I said, you could put a piece of, oh my goodness, look how goes the fall. I got to pull out all my embossing powder. That's what I got to do. You can definitely put down some scrapbook paper, printer paper, whatever, and you know, all this, then you can pour it in. I obviously am not. I don't know why, but I didn't. And I'm gonna emboss for now. You can see it got a little darker. It just melted into. I love watching it melt because it's like magic. Uh-oh, it's magic. So I just made an ATC card for a swap or to give away. Now, once this is on here and cools, which I'm going to do in 1 second, just going to let that cool for a second, and then we will give it a dust off. Look how pretty though. Look at that. Look. Oh yeah, boy. Look at that. Whew. Okay, so we're gonna leave that there for a second. I'm so excited. All right, so this is, like I said, the distressed embossing ink. Now, obviously, there are other distress inks that are not, emboss inks that are not distress. This is acid free because I know you always ask me, is it acid free? If you use your white school glue, blah, blah, blah. This is acid free. So that's a good thing for you to know. Make ATC cards. Like I said, I could do the blue with this. I mean, there's so much fun we can have. But I just wanted to show you that with the distress. Okay. So now let me take my big brush. Oh yeah. And any like extra little particles that did not melt. Let's do this too, just so you can see it. And you can see now I'm dusting that. That was definitely a user error on my fault, my part. Look how beautiful. Oh, I love it. And I love how it's open in the middle so you can see that background coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to have to put this in a little random act of kindness. And then you can see just on the white paper, same thing, nice and deliciousness. This is a distressed one, so you're not going to get full, coverage. I like the mix, but you see what I'm saying. So I know, let me know down below if you guys want me to play more with like ultra thick embossing powder and different embossing powders. I definitely will get them out and we shall play. I know you guys are asking for pan pastels used in mixed media. You guys are asking for Pearl X. And there was one other thing. So I will get to getting. This was for Brenda, like I said, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know down below if there's anything else that you guys want to see and what you guys think of this. And if you guys emboss, tag me on any of your projects. I love seeing what you guys do. If you want to be subscribed, click that subscribe button down below, the bell next to it, so you can be notified when I upload, because apparently, even though you're subscribed, you won't get notified that I uploaded. I don't know what's going on with YouTube lately. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battles somebody else is fighting. Progress, not perfection. We love to play here. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so very much. And that's all I got today. Bye.